Hi, good morning. This is our new video for today. This is my daughter Jorim and daughter Casey's Jan. My video for today is I am already a fan of this Anasala family. I will subscribe here and like all their video because I know that she will help us on how to get a new gadget we used to start our vlogging. Anasala family. I hope you can see this video.
Tago lagi kag icon anak pa. Sige kag subscribe.
And I need your gadgets. Thank you for today. This is my house. Broken house. Broken window. Because I don't have a lot of money to provide. Oh, this is my house. Oh, this is my bed. Hello, Kanasala. I'm trying to call you and help me.
Maning anak pagkuan ang ilan.
This is my house. This is my daughter Jorim and Kisses. They will help me how to make video content for every day because you know guys, they like Mimi, Mela. She's always watching every day for this family YouTuber, and if they help them, I promise that I will invite other YouTubers from Philippines to like and subscribe Anasala family. Thank